Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. I still want to Choco, and I just want to do a reminder for you guys to let you know that the binary trading online class registration is still on, and the class will start on the 26th of October. Okay, so if you're interested in learning binary trading, okay, what you're going to do is you contact me, pay the registration fee, and you'll be added to the WhatsApp class. Okay, so one of the most lucrative way of making money online is through forex trade, is through the forex market. Okay, and that is why we are teaching you guys binary trading, so you have the knowledge, you have the skill. Okay, and this 2 weeks class is to teach you guys about the basics. Okay, so that you master the basics. Okay, so you have a strong foundation, so that if you decide to just go ahead and learn on your own with the aid of signals, or maybe you pay for an advanced class, okay, regardless of which option you choose, you already have a solid foundation. So anything you see when you go to any broker, let's say IQ Option or Binary.com, okay, regardless of where you go to, you will not be confused on the charts or whatever you're seeing. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Sign up immediately, and till I see you guys next time, take care, bye for now. Most importantly, share this information with your friends. If you have your friends that are sitting at home, let them learn binary trading. Okay, let them learn binary trading. Most importantly, get the full value, get the basic foundation of binary trading. Okay, all right guys, take care, bye for now.